I apologize. I ran out of space on the last recording, and I'm going to finish up with interquartile range and talk about what each of these values mean. If you don't recall, or if you're just watching the part on interquartile range, then we've already found the median value, and we found that median value for the first class to be 79.5 and for class 2 to be 86. And so I just used that. I went ahead and ordered the numbers from least to greatest, and then I went ahead and cut the numbers right down the middle because our quartile 2 gave us that, or our median. That's another word for median, quartile 2, and I believe it was, let me go back one more time, 79.5. And Q3 was 86. Okay, so now we need to find the medians of the first half of our data and the second half of our data. So in order to find the interquartile range. So the first half of our data is all of this right here. Everything right here. So everything excluding Q2. And that would be for any amount of data. So even if you have an odd amount of data number, you will still use everything, not including Q2. So Q2 is never included in that Q1. So on my Q1, again, I'm just going to find the middle value. So this is my 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So my Q1, and it's just like I did for Q2, would be 76 plus 77 divided by 2, which is 76.5. Okay, and so again for Q3, again it's everything excluding the upper half, not including that Q2. This is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and I have these two right here in the middle. So my Q3 is 81 plus 82 divided by 2, which is 81.5. And so the interquartile range, and this is why I had to find those values. I had to find my Q2 so I know which value to exclude. I had to find my Q1, I had to find my Q3, because interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And so if I put that in, 81.5 minus 76.5 is 5. All right, so the exact same thing goes for class 2. I'm going to find the Q1 first. So, and I know Q2 is not included. Q2 is my 86. So it's all of these values. So from this half, and then here we go from the other half. So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, nice, easy. 84 plus 84 divided by 2 gives me 84. All right, the next one we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Ooh, another easy one. How about that? Q3 is 88 plus 88 divided by 2, which is 88. So that means my IQR for class 2 is Q3 minus Q1, which is 88 minus 84, which is 4. All right, so now let's talk about what everything means. Okay, so here are the values that we found. We found the mean for class 1 to be 79.35 and the mean for class 2 to be 84.6. The median for class 1 is 79.5 and the median for class 2 is 86. So it looks like class 2 on average has a higher mean and median. So they have higher averages. Students score higher on average in class 2. Now, if we look at the variability, we see that class 1, their interquartile range, or the middle 50%, which is they on average are about 5 points away from the median, and the mean absolute deviation on average is 3.85 points from the mean. For class 2, the IQR is 4, and for class and the mean absolute deviation is 3.8. So the variability is higher for class 1 than it is for class 2. And I hope that this helps.